the LEDs attached.
This is Customs Night of 2021. January.
That broken Ferris wheel. You like that?
They need to fix the LEDs on that thing really bad. One whole strip goes out every year.
Yeah.
Big boys out. Let's go walk around. We're out tonight, yo. There's some heavy. They look heavy, but they got a lot of room inside of it. VIP crew, I guess. VIP.
People style. People.
Well, I tell you, the highest game came out tonight.
Why don't you get a highest?
I'm not gonna get that big ass. Where am I parking?
Wherever you want to park.
You're right.
Look at R34 wheels.
Who?
Chaser with R34 wheels.
Oh.
That was good.
Got an LS in there. What's up, bro? God.
BMW and
Check out the.
that Kenji's car?
Yep, that's his.
Kenji's all right.
That is Kenji right there. Let's go see what old Kenji sign was up to. Konbanwa.
Whoa,
Got a new exhaust and got the silence in. Take it out. Come on. No, it's a. What is that? Oh, you got. Damn, man. Damn.
Like a V8.
The police gonna get that? You gonna get that or what? Oh no? If I did that, I'd be the asshole.
Sounds like a what? VQ?
I don't know, but he don't give a shit. I guess the police don't give a shit either tonight. He ain't moved. I'm like, look, I'm just out here tonight. I don't give a shit. What? Just don't have an accident. Konbanwa.
Hey yo.
Hi.
Oh, I love that wing. I love that wing too. That's why I get a wing like that on my car. Low deck.
That low mount.
Yeah, low mount. Four door, yeah, four doors are good.
Oh.
みんなで照らす。ライトアップ。みんなでライトアップしてる。
Super light. Yeah. Come out. Just start engine. Just start engine.
危ない危ない。ええじゃん。
Damn.
Oh, yeah, that's why.
Damn.
You had to put steel wool in there
Shit
too.
is not gonna say nothing.
Oh my god, let's back up. It's gonna be too loud. This is a Tommy, right?
Got a Tommy. Give it to us. Fire, 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 fire. Set the tree on fire.
Yeah, I'm about to start, remember?
Oh, nice. 2J. 2J?
2J?
Oh, no. 2J, hell no.
RB Neo 6.
Hi. It's a big throttle body. Nah. What you did? Boy said they rolling in tonight, boy. Lex, it looks alright for this song that night. So good. Well, I'm glad when that damn front leaves. So shit, I'm sick of this rain. No, it ain't rained like this since like 2015.
Nice little, what's this right here? Aristo.
Nori.
Get your little Subaru JCI or whatever.
Yep.
Hey. Oh shit, listen. What are you trying to do for 8-6?
Juke the shit out of that car. Low boys. We got another low boy coming.
Car just took over the ground.
We got another low boy. Is it Altezza?
Altezza.
Oh, Prius? No, it's a fucking Corolla.
This thing's quiet as hell. It must be hybrid. I can't even hear this. It's gotta be hybrid.
Got like 3 cats on that mother. 3 catalytic converters on it.
Mark II right there. It's really
Let's go see the
clean.
police.
Yeah, I'm loving this Mark II right here. How'd you say,
He'll
man?
walk all the way over here and he gonna be like, hey, you, come here. What? What?
Yeah, cool dream.
They got one whole car out tonight. Is anybody in there? I'm gonna go borrow his car. Let me see if there's anybody in there.
So much horsepower you got.
Let me see if I can open the door. Let me go see if I can open this door. No, there's 2 of them in there. I don't think they won't let me ride.
They're playing music loud as hell. The police won't fuck with the Japanese ones because they play music loud, but they'll fuck with us with some music loud. They'll pull us over. Yeah, it's not fun. If your guy's in, like, yeah, you're getting pulled over. You see that shit over
Well,
there? Oh,
it's
I
like
saw
a
that
small
body
night tonight. So, I think this is about it. Oh, that's a nice. Look at that. Look at this, and then we walk over there and look at that thing. Give me a small night. Look at that. Damn aqua, boy. Check out me aqua. Nice set. Hey baby, I see you over there. Now go look at this Mercedes, and that's probably gonna be it for tonight.
Look at this weird, crazy looking Mercedes over here.
It's probably gonna be done after the Mercedes.
It's not doing anything.
Check it out.
Crazy looking Mercedes.
Check it out. It's gonna be like a fucking.
Those gotta be like 20-inch rims or something.
No, this gonna be. I guarantee this is just a body kit.
I know it is. I'm pretty sure it's just like.
But under the body kit, it's gonna be like a Toyota Celica.
Nah, it's probably real Mercedes.
It's a Celica.
Probably not real high end.
It's a Celica. Well, let's go see in the inside. If somebody put a Celica frame on the Mercedes, they just molded all this around it.
Today?
That's pretty good. They did a pretty good molding this body on here. That's it. Yeah, but I think that's it for tonight. Give us that like, that thumbs up, that subscribe thingy. This is it. It rained earlier, so not many people come out. But good night.